In this video, we're going to show you how to do an ignition coil boot on your Toyota Tundra, located under the spark plug. I'm going to show you how to do one of these, and the process is the same for all of them. Using a 10mm socket, we're going to remove the bolt. Off of the ignition coil. Pinch this little tab and remove the connector. Pull the coil straight up and out. Using a small pick tool, we're going to remove the rubber piece off the bottom of the coil. Remove this rubber boot off the top. Using a pick, we're going to pull up on this spring and remove it from the coil. Install the new spring. Using a long 6mm hex head, I'm going to push straight down on the spring. And a pick. When the spring is fully seated, it should stay in there by itself, not fall out, and look pretty square. Install the boot onto the end. Make sure it's fully seated, and install the top boot back onto the coil. Reinstall the coil, start your bolt hand tight, and then snug it down. Torque your 10mm bolt to 6 foot-pounds and reinstall the connector. Push until you hear a click. If you don't hear a click, pull back up and make sure it's fully seated on there.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.